Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Your trend Ronaldo appear game for out on a date with a pirate, it's okay, pirate player or Lebohile. So people were dragging her with Taibo Gale when you recently broke up with Umawelele and ukudate with Umufukeng njani. So Mawelele and Naledi Appiwe broke up on a live last week, and people were just talking about that. Some were saying ukuthi abadlala ngathi laba they are just pulling a stunt and just ukuthi sibanake. Some were saying ukuthi bafuna promote their new song, but bona they did confirm on live ukuthi vele sebahlukene, and there is no getting back together ke sana. Sikhohlwe njengaleyo noma ngabe besibona ngazuthi i-couple lenhle lefanele nako uShilo Mawelele wathi nje bekushabona lapha kule relationship nina nadi cause nibona ama-pictures lamanhle nisabawele, but yey betibuya lapha kule relationship. So uNaledi was on a date with Relebohile, and people are saying ukuthi girl, we know who that is. So postile girl go Instagram story avetatandla, but uyayadi guys social media itothola ngisho noma uvetele zipho. So people just said ukuthi girl, we know who that is. Loyo noma bathi bantu bayafana noma ngathi nje kufana kwetandla, loyo siyambona ukuthi li-2K le-Pirates, siyabona nje ukuthi loyo ngibani lolu hleli naye. And some people are saying ukuthi hayibo girl, so postile njalo njena like njani, but guys, she's still young man. Even if uhlukene naMawelele and she wants to move on, then iyiphi because she's young, like she's really young. Kulinzwani. It's not like ushonele indoda mntwana, share boyfriend, so kufanele move on. Hayibo, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Move on girl, asikujudge thina. If we're happy nje, say happy nathi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.